Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change account location in Roblox. All right, let's begin. First, go to the Roblox website and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Select settings and scroll down to find account location. If the drop down menu is available, simply choose your correct country and save the changes. If you cannot change it manually, scroll to the bottom and click help. After that, select Roblox account. Now type location in the search box. Choose account location. After the page loads, find and open the support form link. Now here, enter your username, first name, and email address exactly as they appear on your account. Select your device. For me, it's PC. Choose How To as the help category and pick How to Change My Location in subcategory. In the description, explain your correct country and request an update. Submit the form and complete verification. Wait a few working days for a response. So that's basically how you can change account location in Roblox. And that's it for this video. Thanks.